Now, this is what we call moving mountains. This super large dump truck has the fuel capacity of 22.5 oil drums. The tire diameters are about 3.8 meters and it's 7 meters tall. In addition to that, it has the load capacity of 300 tons. They're used at mines in Russia, Australia, the US, Chile, Brazil, Canada, just to name a few countries. Load in coal, copper, iron, gold, diamonds, etc. Now look at the super large hydraulic excavator, which is all about 8 meters tall, and the bucket capacity is about 22 square meters, capable of excavating 40 tons about at once. This is actually manned, whereas the super large dump truck is unmanned, which makes it interesting within itself. This is the first Japanese bulldozer. It was just developed after World War II, the time where buildings all over Japan had been destroyed. It was once said that the bulldozer could do the work of 200 people. Just another clear example of how Japanese technology has always been ahead of the curve. In this section, kids can draw on the multimedia panels, and babies can play over in the corner, and you can also have fun with this one. Over here, we have the Souvenir Store, which is not so big. However, they do have what this museum represents, which are dump trucks of all nature. So be sure to pick something up. They're moderately priced, and this museum is relatively clean, so I would definitely pick one up for the little ones if I were you. In this corner, there are the simulators. I guess these are used whenever they have special events. I don't think they're open to the public, but I could be wrong, so check on the website accordingly. Meitaro Takeuchi, founder of Komatsu Company, born in 1860 in Kochi Prefecture, traveled to Europe in 1900 to learn about industrial technology and was amazed by what he saw, bringing back the ideas to Japan, and started the Komatsu Limited in 1921 after they split from another company.